sailoring. That trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring.
What's going on, guys? It's finally time. We are now about to test the Miata for the very first time, and yeah, I'm pretty fucking stoked. I don't know what to expect. We'll see.
Пистата е много зле. Тя малко докато не се разчисти.
Добре, на 80 градуса. Ами... Много правим втория. First run was okay. We're going to see now with a bit more throttle, maybe. супер на това да си малко по-далече от пътя на колата.
Синя супа.
Oh, the car is pretty solid. There are some noises, but I do believe that they're from the exhaust hitting on the chassis, so nothing really mechanical wrong with it. Man, the car looks so fucking amazing. I just can't get over this. And now with the rake, it's like slightly higher on the front. It's fucking amazing. Yeah. I'm still waiting on the spacers for the car, so it will have fairly better stance to it. Yeah, still have the overheating issues as with almost every new build. I'm going to need to be using bigger fans because it's just not enough. And yeah, car handles fucking amazing. The self-steer of the Destroyer Dynacos, fucking brilliant. I'm seeing maybe slight difference in the ride height, front right to front left, so that will have to be adjusted. But boy oh boy, it fucking rips. And just look at those lines, man. Like, I never ever had a car that lays down so much rubber. And have in mind that we're on very bad tires. Like, I just had some 16s laying around, and yeah, she lays them down pretty decent. Now we're going to go for a few more runs, enjoy it a little bit, and then we're going to go to a newly paved road for some pictures, because man, with that color, she needs to have pictures on the nice asphalt. Okay, so we do have another problem here. We have a small gas leak, which is better to be fixed now because it's actually a lot, and it's dripping down on the exhaust, so it's not ideal. Yeah, we're gonna get on with fixing that.
Я сега да видим каква йога си. Добре, бе. И сега да кажа, опа, забравих да пусна да снимам, я излез пак. Ето се едно на седалка, ти от ли си?
Тук внимавай, защото реже. Добре. държиш тук.
Ей, те.
Да, това ти е вариант.
Или ей, те. Добре, какво? Брат, аз с кола, те няма задна седалка. Чакай, мога да карам от задна седалка.
От багажника даже.
В смисъл, ние сме на еднаква височина. Да не губиш сцепление.
Какво стана? Акумулатора ли?
Ще трябва да питаме за запари. Ами като турна се акумулатора и замаси плюс.
Така ли направи?
Да, въпросът е, че се цепна май акумулатора също.
Така ли?
Да.
Да, нещо така се разтеква.
Да, не го пипаш от киселината.
Да, знам, не го пипам.
Извинявай, Васко. Чакай. Видя ли огъня този път? Гръмна ли пак?
Не го видях. Че гръмна.
Да, че разбрах. Направена е на съединител, като я смачкаш в прекъсвача първи.
Ага. На съединител на пълна газ.
Да.
Яко. Значи ще знам колко пъти риташ съединителя на всеки рън.
Да, добре. Ще бутам.
So, how was the test?
Fucking amazing.
Any problems?
Oh, yeah, we did have some problems. So overheating is an issue as always. The fact that I not forgot, but I just overlooked it. I haven't done a tie down on the battery, so yeah, we fucked that for sure. But overall, everything was pretty much alright. I'm satisfied with the test. The car survived, so on to the next one. I'm just interrupting this program to give a huge shout out to our new partners. We partnered with Ferrous Bulgaria. They're a company that produces hub-centric spacers. They're very high quality, very affordable prices. So the link to them is right here below. Let me show you what they sent out to me. So we got two boxes, two spacers here with lug nuts. So let me show you. As I said, very high quality, very nice materials, and they sent me a bunch of lug nuts.